morning to all of you. My name is Yash Sharma. I am student of class 5th B. Today I will make without fire fruit. So let's get started. Now I make donut. So I bought 2 packets of Oreo, 1 Cadbury Shorts and 1 jam and 1 Dairy Milk chocolate. So now I open all these items. So now I separate these 2 Oreo biscuit cream. Now you can see I am separating this Oreo biscuit cream. Then I will crush all these biscuits.
Okay.
You can see here I will have crush all these Oreo biscuits and I take 2 tablespoons of milk. So make a thick dough of Oreo biscuits and milk like this. You can see here I make these 5 donuts and melted this chocolate. Now I decorate donut with melted chocolate. Again I take 3 tablespoons of milk and now I mix strawberry cream and chocolate cream and milk. Now I decorate donut with all these items. Now my donut is ready and thank you.